Good morning. All right, just another cool trip adventure. Today, we are on our way to Arcadia, Florida. Buddy Rob of mine, he was in one of my past videos on a hike. Got a lease land. Hopefully get ourselves a pig. He's been giving me the report on the land, and it's been super active. So, here we are in the truck. 3-hour drive. I think I left the house around 7:30 this morning. It's coming up on 8:15. 45 minutes into it. Another 2 hours and 15 minutes left. Well, let's get this done. Peace. All right, just stopped by South Bay, south of Lake Okeechobee. Had to get me a coffee. Marathon, hooked it up. So we linked up with Rob at Wawa off of 70, and we're going into the property now. This is our grounds. Let's see what takes place from here. Super stoked. Wish us luck. Fire in the hole.
So needless to say, we didn't get nothing, but still had a great time. Experience is always cool. When you're always in the outdoors, don't get much better than that. Let me tell you, hunting is just like fishing. Fishing ain't called catching, and hunting ain't called killing. You actually put your grind in, put your work in, and whatever happens, happens. But tonight wasn't the night. So until next time, hope you enjoyed the movie, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Peace.